Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again Lolo. See you. Wow. And we're gonna buy what we need today. What we need for our menu today. Mm. See you. Almost every day we're coming here to buy what we need in the house. Happy Tuesday everyone. I hope everyone have a great day today. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. You have a nice light here. So I look different here. Mega video. Don't forget to hit like. Heart, leave a comment or suggestion. Of course. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.